Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, I'm going to do a parallel parking, which is reverse bay parking. I'm using another camera, which is on my wing mirror at the moment. So you can see how beneficial is this wing mirrors when you're doing the parkings there, how much help you can get from the wing mirror when you're doing the parking there, rather than you using a simple techniques. Normally they tell you what to do. 110, 210 and 110 again, 121 this normally call it. So but what I normally teach my student is how much help I can get from the wing mirror when we do the parking there. So that's exactly the same technique we're going to use. So we're going to go next to this car parked up, silver car parked up there. We'll do the 6-point checks. No, 6-point checks. Look around, no one is there, so I'm going to use this silver car parked up next to me as a reference. So we go close to the car and leave approximately a door length or 2-3 feet gap there. Put my car into reverse gear. I'm right parallel to it at the moment. So this is we're going to start from. You look again, 6-point checks, and my first reference would be my wing mirror should be touching the first door handle or close to the door handle to the next car. When it's there, I will do a 1 turn to the left, do my observation again, and then I'll slowly going back now. I have to take the turn out a bit. Right, and slowly going back. And what I'm looking in my wing mirror now, my back door handle. So as soon my back door handle touches the curb, I will stop the car there. So I'm looking at the door handle just about here. The back door handle is touch the curb. So if you look, I'm gonna put here. So if you look there, the door handle is there, the back door handle, not the front one, but the back door handle. So when the door handle touched, I will take the turn out, and then I'll do 6-point checks. And I put nearly just over a 1/4 turn to the right. So I'll do 6-point checks and I will move out slowly. What I need to make sure now, my wing mirror will show me that the curb is getting appeared in my wing mirror. The curb's getting straighter slowly. Just scanning the road to make sure everything's okay around us. I can see the door handles moving away slowly, and curb getting more and more visible. So I'll keep the steering there. I only used a 1/4 turn, so I can use a little bit more and bring my tape, or which is the door and the steering wheel, into half now. Scan the road one more time. Keep looking in the mirror and look out over your shoulder. Look behind. I can see the curb's getting straight. As soon the curb is straight, I will stop the car. I'll take the turn out. One more time, I will do all the 6-point checks, and then I'll go back by looking over my shoulder. So I know that the curb is straight. I've got a nice gap there. So again, with the soft hand, don't hold the steering too tight, or naturally if you move your head around, your steering arm will respond to that as well, and the steering will go left or right. So soft hand, just move your body, hold the steering just with the soft hand. Keep looking over your shoulder, keep going back, keep looking over your shoulder, keep going back, and then you can just stop here. Handbrake up. If you had a signal on, you cancel the signal. This is how simple it is to do a bay parking using your wing mirror. Wing mirrors helps you a lot with your parking. Sometimes techniques can go wrong, but the wing mirror is telling you what to do with the steering wheel, how close or how far you are. Do not overturn or do not underturn. You got to watch all the way through. How's your wing mirror? Wing mirror show you, or they tell you what to do with your steering wheel. If your car is too close to the curb on the left hand side, stay to the right. Or if you think your car back of your car is going away, then turn the wheel where the gap is getting bigger, which is on the left hand side. So stay to the left hand side then. So keep an eye on the wing mirror when you do this parking, and will help you a lot to understand what you're doing. Moving the steerings with your turn, it helps you a lot. Keep an eye on the wing mirror when you do the parking, and tell me how the method is. Thank you. Bye bye.